What's going on, guys? It's Nick, and in this video we're going to be talking about the top 3 latest niches for Shopify and really anything, mainly Shopify and print on demand. And these are the ones I really researched just last week and this week, and it's absolutely crazy the money to be made in them. And it's literally going to be everything you guys need to know about it. Like, I'm going to be telling you guys the mentality of the people and how to market them. And these are going to be pretty hot for now and for maybe even a few months. So make sure you guys tap into them. And it's just for a lot of people who are finding difficulty, you know, actually picking a niche and getting started. A lot of you are not able to get started because of the same thing. So I really want you guys to get started and just, you know, start building up to your levels. So yeah, anything's possible, guys. I started this 2.5 months ago, and you guys can see I'm almost making like $5,000 every other week. That's crazy. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. The support has been awesome on the channel lately. We hit 1.5k subs. You guys are awesome. But make sure you guys watch till the end. There's gonna be a lot of value packed in this video, and this video ain't gonna watch itself. So let's get right in. Alright, so I'm going to be beginning with the top 3, so I'm going to be just labeling them from 3, 2, and 1. So let's begin with number 3, and you guys might have heard about this a lot, but this is really just overlooked a lot as well. The number 3 is the anime niche, guys. This is literally, I've researched this so much this weekend. People are just making tons out of this. The problem with this is you gotta be really careful with the copyright issues, because if you just steal some anime exact character, or you know, some kind of t-shirt which belongs to someone else, or a design that belongs to someone else, it's really not gonna be you know, it's not gonna be good for you, because they might sue you and stuff. So you gotta be really careful in the designs you're picking. I would suggest you make your own designs or go with AliExpress products, but even with AliExpress products, be very careful with them, okay? So you guys might be thinking, hey Nick, but anime has been going on from ages. How is this hot, Nick? Alright guys, the thing is that a lot of people are missing that a lot of anime are starting to end, okay? For example, there's this anime called Dragon Ball Super, and it's coming to an end right now, and everybody's emotional with it. And Dragon Ball, if you guys know, has a huge fan base. Literally, I was a fan. I still am a fan. But as you guys can see, Dragon Ball Super is coming to an end, so people are just going crazy about the characters, and they're just paying respect to the entire series, the creator. Like this, if you guys can find the right time where, you know, an anime comes to an end, and at that time you start actually, you know, making t-shirts about it, or you make some kind of products about it, maybe mugs or something like that, and just have some kind of relatable stuff inside of them, that's just gonna sell like wildfire. You can't even stop selling that, because the thing is that the people have an emotion attached to an anime. If they're watching their favorite anime, and there are tons of pages on Instagram you can advertise to, and there's so many different ways you can go about this. I'm gonna show you guys right now. You guys can literally write anime hoodies in Google, and you're gonna be able to see so many designs which are just completely selling. I have seen some stores literally just based on anime. That's how crazy this niche is, guys. Because whenever something happens in an anime, the entire community goes wild, and you're able to attack those people at that exact time, okay? It's all about the 3 things, okay? It's about placing the right product in front of the right audience, okay? And what anime does is that you can do it at the right time. So this just makes it incredibly amazing. That's why it even is making on the top 3 of my list, because when something happens in an anime and you know about it, you can now make a t-shirt about it and then immediately sell it to the anime fans, and they're gonna buy it like wildfire. They're not even gonna care about the price. That's why all these designs just go super viral, okay? I understand we have a lot of animes over here, so let's look at one of these over here. We have, let's just take Dragon Ball Z for an example. You guys won't believe the amount of influencers we can find just in anime. So we're gonna go with the first suggestion that comes up is Dragon Ball Super, 376k, and look at the engagement on this page. Holy shit. Just look at the engagement, guys. Look at this. Are you guys looking at this right now? It's just absolutely crazy. 20k, 13, 15, 12k. And these kinds of pages don't really have shout-outs done on them a lot, so you can get them for cheap. And there are a lot of, as you guys can see, this is a moment that happened in Dragon Ball. I'm not gonna give you any spoilers, but anyway, so what we're doing here is pretty much finding the right product at the right anime at the right time. That's why this niche is so amazing, and you guys definitely want to tap into this for 2018, especially when so many new animes are gonna have ending moments. So remember this. Alright, the number 2 niche on the list is going to be cryptocurrency. Yes, guys, Bitcoin. Do you guys know how many people are going crazy over Bitcoin and Ethereum? They're just going absolutely wild. Because when they look at Bitcoin and Ethereum going up and all these altcoins just going up, you guys know if someone just made like $1,000 in crypto in like 2 days, what do you think it is? $30 to him for a t-shirt. Like, he can buy 10 t-shirts like that if he just wants to, just wear them every single day. So if he can make like a really cool meme t-shirt about crypto, which is like an amazing idea right now, just go and type crypto t-shirts. Look at this, hashtag HODL. There's so many designs about this you can just make, because people in the Bitcoin are just gonna love. The people investing in Bitcoin right now, look at this. This is a shirt I would definitely buy. There's so many different ways you can just use all these shirt designs to get an idea of them, and you can literally just make a design with just the Bitcoin logo printed on it. You guys will make so much money from this. But as you guys just saw, there's so many ways you can market this product. It's not just one way. You can go on Facebook ads and target people with Bitcoin. You can go on Instagram and target Bitcoin pages or crypto pages, or maybe rich pages, millionaire pages, entrepreneur pages. Bitcoin, altcoin, these are things that are going wild right now. But yeah, guys, the reason why cryptocurrency is such a big market is that there are so many altcoins out there you can use, and the Bitcoin itself is so big that if you make a t-shirt about it, you just go on AliExpress, find a product related to that, people are just gonna go absolutely crazy about it, okay? And the reason for that is just, it's emotion. It's all about emotion, guys. All these three niches are gonna have emotion tied up to them. And wherever there is emotion, there is trendiness, and because people are liking it, they're sharing the post. And exactly why the thing keeps going up. Every single time you can find emotion in any product, boom, that's a gold mine. That's literally a gold mine right there. Like, you can't stop it after that. So exactly why I'm gonna tell you guys, number 3 is gonna be anime, and number 2 is gonna be Bitcoin. Tap into these as soon as you guys can. It's not gonna be hot forever. Anime might be hot for a while before it dies down, but there's still so many animes to tap into before you guys even saturate anything. So this is a really good way to get started. And now the number 1 niche that I researched for 2018, the latest one. Yes, guys, it is gaming. I mean, a lot of you might be surprised, but guys, gaming. People are crazy about gaming. I was crazy about gaming. I used to play CSGO so much. Yeah, go ahead and invite me on Steam. I don't know, but you guys know gaming is absolutely crazy. And it's right now what's happened is there's this game that had its amazing upsurge called Fortnite. If you go on Google Trends right now, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look at this. Look at this interest graph, okay? It's literally already blown up in Jan, and now it's just gonna get better. Look at this. It's already predicted to go all the way up to 100, and people are just going absolutely crazy over this game because it's free as well. So you can go ahead, if you look up some Fortnite tees. So if you look up some Fortnite tees right now, you're gonna be able to see how many people are making. Oh, look at this. These are all memes for Fortnite. Look at this. 99 problems. Then we have Royale. We have Eat, Sleep, Fortnite, Repeat. This one, it's in itself can be made into a $100,000 design if you just market it properly. People are mad over this right now. The trend is just going all the way up. And guys, the funny thing is, boom, this is just one game. This is literally just one game. You can make your bank out of one game. Imagine what you can do with gaming. Because guys, the thing with gaming is, I used to always be a passionate gamer. Gaming has a passion attached to it, okay? That's why gaming stuff sells so well. Gaming keyboards, mouses, headphones, all the stuff sells well because gamers have passion to their items. And when a game arises in the market, and there are always good games arising, you can already keep going and looking up in the trending graph of Steam. You can go on Steam and find the top trending games right now, and don't play them. You can just farm the gamers. How you can actually find out what is trending, and then make some jokes around it, make some memes. Gamers love memes, and there's so many pages out there for gaming and memes which you can absolutely dominate. So guys, number 1 is absolutely has to be gaming. And not only this, the thing about gaming is that people don't stop at one game. If someone buys a new game, they're not gonna stop there. They're gonna be wanting to go to get all the achievements to it if they want, like, you know, a lot of people are that. And if someone is really good at a game, they'll love wearing that stuff. And if other people know, it's just better and better. So there's a lot of emotion attached to gaming. Not just Fortnite. There's so many games you can go for. I'm gonna give you some examples right now. PUBG. And there's, let's see, CSGO. Okay, CSGO is a little bit dying right now. I don't want to go for that. There's Fortnite. There's so many games. I used to play RuneScape, and I used to make thousands of dollars from that. Not really just by selling shirts, but from other ways. I used to make thousands of dollars from RuneScape. If someone sold me a RuneScape shirt back then, I would definitely buy it. My point is that if someone's just completely involved in a game and they love playing it, they are definitely gonna buy any of your items, and this works for all these games. I saw a lot of people sell knives for CSGO. There were online stuff. Don't sell knives for CSGO. That's kind of risky. But I'm just saying that you can just make different kind of t-shirts for different kind of items. And as long as your designs don't suck shit, you're definitely going to make a lot of money off these people. But understand, you guys will have to be a little bit careful about the Creative Commons policy, because if your product does not fall in Creative Commons, you will be able to, you might get screwed over for the copyright. So be very careful on making your designs on there. Don't copy someone else's picture. Keep it original, keep it simple. Don't copy like logos or some stuff like Steam or Valve or something like that. Always want to be safe and double check everything before you post everything. But yeah guys, gaming, and this is not gonna die. This is super duper duper hot in 2018 right now. Literally, I'm thinking to make some Fortnite hoodies right now. It's that hot. And these games are not gonna stop being hot. There are always gonna be new games coming out. There's GTA 5, GTA 6 coming out in 2018. So this is always good. This is like an evergreen niche because people want to play games and relax sometimes. And you guys can tell I've always been a passionate gamer because I know so much about this. But now you guys know all about it too. So once you guys understand the niche, and what you guys are doing right now is you're understanding the niche. You're understanding how the niche works. And once you know the market, like this is the market, and this is the market's brain. The only problem with people is that they go for a niche, they think it's profitable, and then they completely screw up because they don't know how the brain works. They just go ahead and put like a random t-shirt in front of them that says Fortnite. That's not gonna work. The only way it's gonna work, you need to understand how their mind works and what makes them laugh, what is funny for them, what kind of jokes do they like, what is passionate for them, what codes do they like. And once you understand those things, then you can look these up easily just by going to the community a bit and just understanding what they like. And exactly what I'm teaching you guys right now, the mindset is important, guys. Once you know what the gamers like, or the gamers of the specific game like, you can print out 20 different tees out of that, and then you can just keep farming money from that because you know people are gonna buy it. If someone likes a game, they are gonna buy it. Candy Crush was a game which had a really huge evolution in the between, and you could have made t-shirts about that because people would just love it. I don't know, some kind of jelly bullshit. You could have made some kind of, game out of a t-shirt out of that. There was Temple Run, even Android games. Gaming is just absolutely huge, guys, and this insight I'm giving you guys today can absolutely change your life if you guys apply this properly. So go ahead, look into this, research more, and pick one of these 3 niches if you guys are really confused. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I really hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, make sure you leave a like. We're just gonna use our awesome scissor tool once again. And yeah guys, I just have to say thanks a lot for watching. And if you guys have any comments, leave them down below. We are gonna be adding a lot more value to the course pretty soon. Discord link and Facebook group is down in the description below. I'm gonna be accepting everyone tonight. I'm just gonna have some time for that. And yeah, thanks for watching once again, guys, and take care, and I'm gonna see you guys later then. Peace out.